Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today, finally, I'm getting back to this. We're going to do a Winners/Marshalls haul. I bought most of this stuff at, well, there's 3 things in here. Bought one of them at Winners and 2 of them at Marshalls. But I didn't want to waste bags, so let's see what we got. So I'll start with the smallest thing first. Let me just get my phone here ready. So the first thing I got at Marshalls was this Too Faced matte chocolate chip palette. I got
hold it up really close and hold it. Yeah.
$19.99, and on Too Faced website right now it's selling for $32. So that's a little bit of a savings. So this is cocoa powder infused matte eyeshadow, and that is what the packaging looks like. It's really, really cute. Really cute.
It's nice. Oop, sorry, I'm messing with the camera.
And it does smell like chocolate. It's got a little bit of fallout on it already. It didn't have, but you know, you take your chances when you shop there.
You call that fallout?
Yeah, just because, like, you know.
Why do you take your chances when you? Is that Winners?
Marshalls.
Marshalls. Oh.
Because people
like are always handling stuff.
And they like to get angry with it. I've seen some messed up eyeshadows at Marshalls.
Fair enough.
So here are the colors. So they're nice neutrals, and it does smell delicious. So we've got, top row is white chocolate, matte gilded ganache, and triple fudge. Second row is matte marzipan, semi-sweet, strawberry bonbon, and matte candied violet. And the bottom row is matte hazelnut, matte creme brulee, my favorite dessert, creme brulee, matte cherry cordial, and matte champagne truffle.
I prefer glossy creme brulee.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is that. Should we swatch it?
Yeah, swatch it.
All right.
Do the pink one. Is that strawberry or what was that?
Strawberry bonbon, yes. And then we'll do the one right below it, which is the matte cherry cordial. And this one is the matte gilded ganache. It's a nice array of colors, which is not really transferring very good to the skin.
The pink one's not. The other ones are.
The pink one is definitely not.
The pink one you have to put on pretty heavy, I would imagine.
Yeah, I would imagine so. I mean,
Hold your hand up.
they're not the best. They're kind
Higher.
of flaky.
Yeah. Yeah, you can't even see it on the camera, really. So.
Yeah. I don't know that I love these, but they're not meant to go on my hand. They're meant to go on my eyes. So I'll give that a real shot on my face. All right, next up, I just got it because it's freaking insanely nice packaging, fun packaging. So this is the Too Faced Life's a Festival.
Too Faced has fun stuff.
Yeah, Peace, Love, and Unicorns.
Yeah.
And this one, it's a limited edition, obviously. So online, I found out at Nordstrom for $42, and I paid $30.
Damn.
$30. I think that's a little bit much. I shouldn't have spent that. But I'm already gonna
You were feeling adventurous that
I'm gonna give this to somebody who is a lot younger than me.
You are?
Who will just think it's fun.
I know who.
So that is the outer packaging. It's squishy. It's very fun, and then the side is holographic. And if we open it up,
oh, that's cool.
it's got all these shimmer shades. So, Sunset Dream, Fun in the Sun, Fireflies. And then the next row is Rainbow Life, Dessert Vibes, Beaming, Mystic Rain, and Fun to See.
Fun to see.
And then the bottom is Young and Free, Euphoric, Unicorn Tears, Artist Pass, and Dusk Teal Dawn.
Why is Unicorn Tears so much
Dusk
bigger?
Teal Dawn, Jason. Dusk Teal Dawn.
Oh, Teal Dawn. Oh.
Yeah, so it looks like there
I've seen that
is 4 mattes, and then the rest are shimmers.
How come that Unicorn Tears is so much bigger? Is that...
It's probably a highlighter.
Oh, okay.
I can guarantee it's probably a highlighter. So I'm going to try Fireflies.
I thought you were going to give it away.
I'm going to give it away to somebody I know.
Okay.
Like a child who...
Yeah. Right.
doesn't care that Auntie Megan has touched it. So I'm going to try Fireflies, Dusk Teal Dawn, and Rainbow Life. I'm going to do it on this side of my hand.
They transfer nice.
Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, so those ones are way better pigmented.
Yeah.
You see them?
I can see that middle one is like shimmery.
Yeah, I like that. That's a nice green.
Yeah.
All right, so, and then it's got a little cloud mirror at the top here.
That's fun.
That is fun. All right. And then the next thing I bought, it's not a brand I know, but you know I love eyeshadow palettes. So for $50 from the brand Cargo Cosmetics, it's a limited edition eyeshadow palette collection. So it comes with six
Hold it up higher. 6
eyeshadow palettes, which, you know, I don't have any room for, but that doesn't matter.
Less than $10 a palette, though.
It is less than $10 a palette. So they look like this, and we'll just go from the top. So the first one is Enjoy Every Moment. And I've already told my sister that she can have at least one of these because she likes makeup, but she doesn't like spending her money on anything but her children. Oh, this is a really pretty. So this is
Is that a brush it comes with?
yeah.
Oh.
So it comes with a dual-ended brush and 2, 4, 6, 8. It's 12 pans.
Nice. I don't think you need to swatch them.
Yeah, it's a very nice neutral palette. It's got mattes, it's got shimmers, and yeah, it's very brown. I really like these colors.
This stuff goes on your eyelids, right?
This stuff does go on your eyelids, yes. So that's
So you
that
see
one.
that one has like a film that goes over the stuff. Is that to stop?
Yep.
What'd you call it? You had a word before for the other one that.
Follow?
Fallout, yeah.
Okay, so the next one is All That Glitters, and it is, you know, very black and silver packaging. So it's probably going to be a very fancy eyeshadow palette. If I can get it out. There we go. Okay. So this, oh, that's nice. So it's got a bunch of very rich colors. I really look at that blue. I'm gonna swatch that blue. That's gorgeous.
It's the same color as our wall. If you look behind the books, it's the same color as our wall. Pretty much.
Swatch this one.
Yeah.
That's really pretty. I love that blue. I never wear blue.
Yeah.
But I like the story that it's telling.
What is it telling you?
It's just telling me that I
Saying,
should
"Come
be
with
more
me,
adventurous." So these are all shimmer shades, glittery shades. And that one's really pretty too. Taylor, so far you're not getting any of these. The next one is Summer in the City.
Calling out salad on the video.
I am, yeah. Tater salad. It looks like the palette is gold.
Is that like alligator
It's
scale?
like gold alligator skin. That's really pretty. I don't even know if I like.
I mean, if I want to put makeup on, I want it to come out of a alligator skin.
So again, these are all shimmery.
They all have brushes, which is kind of
shimmery
cool,
shades.
isn't it?
It is. I mean, they're.
The other ones don't have. You know.
I mean, I can't get it out right now, but
Well, don't.
Oh,
Yeah.
there we go.
Oh.
we'll just see. So it's double-ended. So you've got a small, fluffier brush and then a more precise
Precision applicator.
tip on the end. I'm just gonna put that back in there.
That's what we call it.
So these are really pretty. They're very pretty summer shades. Very nice for a wedding, probably.
Yep.
So I can't see myself, so I don't know what's going on the camera.
Just gotta get used to
I
it.
apologize.
I'll direct you. I'll be your Sherpa up the mountain.
All right, halfway through. The next one is You Had Me at Aloha. Also very pretty boxes. Like, they're very pretty. Very pretty. For $50. If you want to start an eyeshadow collection, this is probably a good way to start. So that is the outside. And that is what those colors look like. Am I in the frame there, Jay?
A little bit lower. Lower.
my god.
Out. You want me to zoom in on them?
I don't know.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm just going to swatch this one color because it's called Kai. Because it's very green. Oh, that's really nice.
My parents had a golden retriever named that. That's a fun little anecdote.
That is a fun anecdote. Okay, next up we've got Emerald City, and it's a really nice dark green.
I hope they're all green.
Green is the color of my eyes, so I like to wear browns, greens, or purples. Today I'm wearing pink.
Yeah. What
Well, wear what you want. Who cares?
turquoise?
Who cares? If you feel good, just wear what you want. Guess how many green shades there are in this?
Hopefully more than 2.
3.
Oh.
And they're all concentrated on this corner. But still, very nice
That
colors.
bottom right one I like. I like darker, deeper colors though, I guess.
Me too. I think that's very similar. No, that one's more blue. Alright, let's swatch this dark green Fremont color. I'm running out of room on my hand. Oh, that one didn't swatch great. Can you see
Well, how do you know?
it?
Yeah, we can see it, but how do you know it doesn't like it? Just doesn't stick to your.
Yeah,
skin?
like that. Like look at the pigment on this one.
Yeah, it's,
Maybe like
and
this
then
one.
you probably have to go over it a few times.
Yeah.
Okay.
And last but not least, we've got a Christmassy one called Chill in the 6.
In the 6.
I wonder if this is a Toronto-based company.
Oh.
Made in China.
Huh.
Distributed in New York City, so I don't know, maybe in New York. Oh, like the 6 boroughs, probably. Is there 6 boroughs in New York City? I don't know. Let me know if you know.
Can you name them? Yonkers is one of them. I know that.
Like Soho?
I think so. Yeah.
East Village, West Village.
Go again.
Okay.
Come on.
We're having technical difficulties as always. So, that is what the packaging looks like. And I like the way they open because they've got this double flap. There's less chance of everything coming out. And those are also very pretty colors. I really like these pink purples, like this Arctic, and this one's called 1996. Yeah, those are really pretty. I'm very impressed with these. For 50 bucks, 6 eyeshadow palettes, and they seem to be very good quality. I look forward to experimenting with them. Now I have to buy more storage for eyeshadow palettes.
You should start giving stuff away.
No.
Yes.
No. Jason, some people have like, 100 eyeshadow palettes. I probably have like
And how many of them do they use? Do you think?
30. I don't know. I try to use a
Probably.
different one every day.
Okay.
But it's not about using, it's about how beautiful, like look at how, why would you want to use this or this? Look how pretty, look at this one. Why would you want to use that? Just leave it, it's for pretty. When I get a little bit more, I'll probably do like a makeup collection video or an eyeshadow palette collection video.
Yeah, that'll be
But
fun.
I've got like nothing compared to some people I've seen.
Well,
They've got drawers and drawers and drawers.
Yeah, that's crazy, right?
And I've got probably like 30.
You got the cuddle closet, we call it.
Yeah.
So you could show your followers that. That'd be kind of fun.
Oh, so fun.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was my Marshalls and Winners. Also, the 6 eyeshadow palettes, those were from Winners for $40, and then the other 2 were from Marshalls. And for using, I'm not going to use this. I already know who I'm going to give this to.
Who is it?
I don't want to say.
Okay.
There's 2 girls that would really love that desperately, so I should probably go buy another one if I can,
Okay.
so I don't show favorites.
Yeah.
And then I like this one I'll use, and then I will use all of these, all of them. Yeah. So thanks everyone again for watching. I hope you have a great day, a great night, a great year, week, month, all the things. If you wouldn't mind liking, if you wouldn't mind subscribing, and then I've got all kinds of other fun videos right here. If you don't have anything better to do. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.
Bye.